Hello guys, back in Geometry Dash. We're gonna play the level called Club Step. 70% I have played this level for 70 years, I think. And I'm still not good at this level. This level right here is easy peasy lemon squeezy instead of the end. I did so much practice on this level. I think on this part I'm gonna die. Nope. I thought I was gonna die. No! Actually, I wanna try Theory of Everything. Oh my god. Kind of this level is a bit. This level's kind of easy. I don't know if this level's easy. It's kind of hard to me. I can do straight fly now. Itachi. This level is easy as my old phone. This is easy as my old phone. My old phone doesn't have either any levels, just Stereo Madness. And there's only 5 skins if you beat Stereo Madness. 5 times it gives you those skins. Those skins are planets. They don't have my favorite planet. My favorite planets: Saturn, Uranus, Jupiter, Neptune, and Pluto. Maybe if
Take your golf break.
Hey! Okay. Kind of. My hardest level was Cycles. Look at how many attempts my hardest level I think was Cantaloupe. Nope. How many? That means this was my hardest level to beat. No, let's just practice. don't have the music hacks on. I am not in a PC. I am on a phone right now. I do not have a PC. I have a VR. My VR is better than my phone. Absolutely, if I'd done that in the first attempt. I hate doing practices. Because I don't like the UFO part. Like this one right here. Because sometimes I lose. We're playing this game now. We're playing this game now. We're not playing GD anymore. It's so annoying. Do not get in there. Somebody's gonna buy your car. Your car looks good. I like your car. At least, of course, poor. But you got some great details, man. You got some great details. Comment if you like my car. Comment if you don't like my car because I crashed it. You guys like my drifting? Change your drift color. My God, no, I cannot. I need to pay a credit card just to do that. Okay? I am not using my mom's credit card. I am not doing that. I'll give you $1,000 or $1,000,000 or $1 billion. No! I'm not spending my mom's credit card. It's gonna ground me for a week. I think. It just costs $1. Wait, what? What do you mean? What do you mean? What do you mean? What do you mean? What you doing? What are you saying? Are you talking about the drift? There is no drift in here. There is. How many it cost? I'm probably change that to white. Okay, let's play a different game. Okay, we're playing this game. Oh, I don't know. Not right now. Not right now. Hey? Yes, I'm getting this. Woo! Whoa! Oh, they're giving me good stuff. 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 My God, chill. 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 Chill, man, chill. I don't want that. I don't want this crazy stuff. What do I need that crazy stuff for? Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God! My guy! My guy! My guy! My guy! Yo! Oh my God! Oh my God! Who needs to give me all of this good stuff? Yo, where is the car? There it is. It's in the B. I think. It is in the B. No, it's not in the B. It's in the C. There you have it. There's the car. Look at the car. Yo, this car looks better like this. Bro, I'm gonna put it red. Here's my brand new Ferrari. Wait, this is not a Ferrari. It's an MC12, I think. It is an MC12. It's an MC12. Oh my God. I was just playing this game then that thing popped up on my screen. Why did this just happen? Why did this happen? How did this happen to me? Today is my lucky day. I'm gonna call my mom right now. It's already 7:51. Okay, let me just stop.